Shravani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So today, I'm also going to show you some exclusive demanded collections. Actually, I'm at present at the warehouse, and here you can see the full length sticker where you can see here with the barcode, with the fabric details, and with the details of the prices. Here, my executives are sitting here, and they are see how they have the big long sticker, and let me just have a conversation with them. क्या है काका
ये बारकोड स्टिकर है बंडल बंडल पे लगाने के लिए।
कौन से माल की?
कॉटन डोरिया की।
कॉटन की एम्ब्रॉयडिंग की? अच्छा, अभी नया कलेक्शन आया, ये बारकोड लगा रहे हो आप लोग? ये ऐसे ये बारकोड, इतना बारकोड आया, कैसे समझ आएगा?
ये तो बंडल वाइज लगता है ना मैडम, पीस
लगता है तो आपको सब
पे कितना पीस रहता है,
तो सारे बारकोड अलग अलग रहते हैं?
अलग अलग रहता है हर बंडल वाइज।
So friends, here this is the process where it's going on. The barcode, which is the sticker, is getting labeled on the every bunches of saris here with the barcode. And this is the barcode, and for this pattern, the sticker and the sample of the code here. This is how the color chart, which is not, you can see here. This is almost 6 to 7 colors bunches here. So this is the way your manufacturers having a long process of the back end, and here the collections which has come, the new stock. So today I'm going to show you only this embroidering work sarees. Let's have a look what all the new latest collections has come. You can watch this video and you can easily do online purchase, video calling purchase. Let's have a samples. So friends, as I showed you the big list of the barcode where the executives were doing label on the sarees putting. So these sarees are, you can also purchase the unique latest varieties, and this is the photocopy of the pattern. This is the embroidering saree where you can see the onion color with the multicolor contrasted, the same saree, and every saree you will find out the beautiful color chart and with the photocopy with the catalog. And this saree, which starts from only 150 rupees of this such exclusive cotton sarees. This is a sample I'm showing you, and the saree is having a Pari Flower Queen BP is the code, and in this you will find out new exclusive collections. So new more varieties I'm going to show you. So this is the one more saree, the golden color and with the chocolate cookies color with the beautiful half of the semicircle pattern which is organized, and this is the one of the saree you can find out here. All these beautiful sarees of embroidering sarees which is at the market, or which is very, you know, the prices when you do the shopping, you know the actual prices, but the manufacturers are giving you all this such exclusive varieties, with the grey dark thread work which is a lace, and the leaf pattern, the embroidering work has been done, the thick thread work has been done, and the mini thread of the creamish color with the light settle color. This is one of the pattern. And if I talk about the next pattern, which is a star work pattern, Pari Sweetie BP, this is also one of the saree. Every saree you will find out new exclusive collections, and in this also you will find out the rose floral base, many more varieties with the grey color with the pinkish color. And this is the saree where you can see all these sarees you can do normal wash, and you can do the starch in the home itself. So self wash is better rather giving outside, because the cotton sarees needs more care, where this sarees look is very beautiful. Once you wash and do starch and you wear, it gives a unique stylish beauty look. And this is also one more pattern, all these sarees. So one of the light pastel color. So in this also you will find out, this is one of the pattern. So this is a collection, all these exclusive varieties. Okay, so this is Pari Sweetie BP is the code. This is also all, we do have a many more varieties. Season to season manufacturers are giving you. For the many more unique varieties of the color chart, if you visit Kesaria Manufacturers, leading manufacturers, one place where you can buy sari, lehenga, kurti, many more women apparels along with the kids collections as well as men varieties also. All these varieties you can buy at factory price. And the next, if I talk about the next collection, this is the pattern of the dark maroon color with the embroidering. This is Shri Nidhi collections with the dark embroidering thread work which has been given here. All these exclusive collections you can purchase, like this dark color with the parallel with the border which has been highlighted with the red color with the maroon combination. This unique varieties of the latest collections, manufacturers are giving you uncountable collections with the barcode. This is what the every sticker, and I was showing you in the starting of the video. So every saree is having a different name code with the collection, and this is the pattern of the Pari Kanyadan BP, and this is the red color thread work which has been done. So in this pattern you have a rangoli, and this is also rangoli pattern, but the mild thread of red color, it's used on the pink color. So according to a sari color combination of the thread work, every manufacturers before they work on the sari, the system they match the color of the sari, which color of the thread goes to the combination of the color combination, which is the color chart. So this way the production is working, and there is a huge back end process of the entire preparing a sari. So friends, these are all the embroidering sarees which I've showed you the latest collections. Hope you enjoyed this collection. So you can easily purchase by online. So you can do online shopping, COD options are available. You can do advance payments booking from other countries also, Canada, US, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka. Many more of our Indian people as well as other country people also like the Indian culture of the saris to wear and enjoy. So you can also have this experience. So for the many more information, you please watch our you go through our website, Instagram, Facebook page and YouTube page for the regular information of the videos. So let me know from which city, from which country you're watching the video and what kind of collections you're looking for. Please let me know, so I will do videos. So next video I'll come up with many more business informations. Keep supporting. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video we'll meet up. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा सही